Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and reading lots of good books. Welcome to the world of books and you're watching the Book Saga. So today I will be talking about a book called The 40 Rules of Love. I will be giving a short information on it. I will be reviewing it and will also give my personal opinion. The 40 Rules of Love is written by a Turkish-British author named Elif Shafak. There are two stories ongoing in this book. One is the contemporary one and one is the historical one. The contemporary one is about the story of a middle-aged woman named Ella. Ella is quite unhappy in her life. She lives a mundane routine life with her husband and her 3 children. One fine day, she comes across a manuscript as a part of her work project, which she has to read on behalf of the agency which she is working for. Gradually, while reading the manuscript, she is such in awe with the writing that she decides to meet the author of this work. Now, coming to the manuscript which Ella was reading. I once had 1,000 desires, but in my one desire to know you, all else melted away. Yes, these beautiful words are written by Rumi. This is a story of Jalaluddin Muhammad Rumi and his spiritual advisor Shams of Tabriz, also known as Shams Tabrizi. One day, Shams came to know that his life's purpose was to meet a person who was incomplete without him, and he was destined to meet him. Later, he came to know that it was Rumi. When Shams comes in Rumi's life, Rumi forgets everything and everyone around him, due to which everyone in the town, including Rumi's family, became Shams's enemy. Rumi was already a scholar before Shams came into his life. But Shams played a very impactful role in Rumi's life. It was due to his presence in Rumi's life and later his absence that made Rumi the world famous poet we know today. Throughout his journey, Shams explains all the 40 rules of love and faith to whomever he meets. This is the last rule of love and faith explained by Shams. Both the part of the book, contemporary and the historical one, looks similar. Ella meets the author and Rumi meets Shams. Through this book, I have come to know a lot about Sufism and their famous dance called Zima. I'm sure everyone remembers the song from the movie Jodha Akbar. That was the dance of Zima. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and I hope you got all the information which you need to judge that whether I should read this book or not. And my effort was to make this video in such a way that it won't spoil the fun of your reading at the same point of time. Okay, now about my personal opinion. My opinion is that you should definitely pick up this book and start reading if you are a regular reader. Around if you have read 6 to 10 books and you have a good command on English, then you should definitely go for this one. And yes, you should have interest in historical genre, then you will enjoy it definitely. Apart from that, I would also add over here that the writing style, the story, how the story flows, plot, characters, chapters, each and everything is very beautiful done in this book. So yeah, you should go for it. Who want to start reading books, who want to enter into the world of reading, they should go for more light reads like romance, thrillers, and the genres they enjoy. Very rarely I give 5 out of 5 to some book, but this book, I think it deserves it due to the reasons which I said, and I think when you start reading this book, you will come to know. So guys, this was all from this video. Do leave a comment about which book you want me to review next, or any information on books, reading and literature. Meet you soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.